Phil, we have officially moved into the new Flyford office.
Beautiful place to be as well.
Isn't it just? On a beautiful day too. Do you want to give us a walk around? Let's see what the new office is all about.
Yeah, so you can see we've done the grey and black theme for the woodwork. Really pleased with the new Flyford sign that's gone on the wall just here. And a big focal point as well is the glass doors, and the wall is actually, you might not be able to see it in the video, but this is actually the Flyford logo in there, which I'm really pleased with. Toilets turned out really well, so we've done floor to ceiling tiling. So this is the gents.
Still in good nick?
Yeah, really looked after, which is nice to see. And then, of course, there's still work to be done everywhere. So look, handles are still missing, but we're getting to it. And it's our bit of a junk room as well.
Oh dear.
So yeah, don't come in here if you can. But yeah, there's lots to do still. But yeah, let me show you through to the main area. Potted plant has come from the old place.
The more things change, the more they stay the same,
That's it. Lighting up, again really pleased with the way that's turned out. My beloved meeting room that I've been longing for years, we finally got that, and we've got the lovely manifestation on there as well. So we'll show
Take a look inside.
Yeah. So yeah, I got me meeting chairs. I love the colour combinations, worked out really well with the panelling at the back there. We've got the meeting bar ready for some team meetings.
And it's still got that new office smell, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's a beautiful smell, isn't it? Yeah. And I'm really pleased with the carpet as well. Really nice patterned carpet.
Yeah, goes really well with the chairs and stuff, I think,
Yeah.
under the back wall.
Yeah, really happy with it.
Where to next, Phil?
We've got the kitchen. So, kitchen area, tile, we've got the, by popular demand, we've got the air fryer. And that's very nice to sit and eat as well.
Very nice.
And there's the vacuum that everyone has been loving.
He's returned.
His return. My office is just next door to the meeting room. Again, still lots of work to be done. It's very bare in here, but I've got the monitors. All the desks we've got to stand up, so every day stand up. It's really good for your posture and that, so happy to do that. And I think at some point we're going to have a bit of furniture in there. And maybe a TV or something on the wall, but not a priority.
It's got to be in for the World Cup though, hasn't it, Phil?
Well, yeah. America this year, isn't it?
It is.
So yeah, desk set up, ready for, there's eight spaces here. For that, and a bit of a cabinet area. We're going to be putting a TV in that space there, which again I think is going to be really nice.
Perfect. That's to monitor tickets and stuff, isn't it, Phil?
That's it. Monitor tickets. Just have a bit of insight on what's going on in the business, so everyone's got visibility of it.
Yeah, excellent.
Workshop area. Yeah, work in progress. As you can see, we've got a nice big box in the way. But yeah, the idea here is we're going to have some nice big sliding wardrobes, and then be able to hide everything away and make it neat.
Yeah, and we're going to have the floor extended a bit further, aren't we?
Yeah, so this floor here is being extended out to be on the diagonal to this point here. It's just going to help break up the room a little bit more.
Yeah, and then finally we have...
Finally James's room, yeah. So yeah, he's not finished his room yet. He's just got straight into working and not around to actually sorting his place out.
Classic James.
Yeah, just wants to get his work done, so that's really good.
Well, thank you for the update, Phil.
Yeah, no worries.
We'll definitely give everyone one final update in a couple of months' time when everything's in.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're glad to be in, aren't we? And we're looking forward to having people over, having a couple of visits, making the most of the meeting room, aren't we?
Yeah, it's been we've had quite a few meetings in there currently, but yeah, it's nice to have that space.
Yeah. Well, thanks again, Phil.
Cheers, mate.